Hey gang, welcome back to J Daddy's Garage. No, this is not a car part, has nothing really to do with cars, but it has more to do with me making YouTube videos. So, let me tell you what I have. This is a Bluetooth speaker by Treblab, T-R-E-B-L-A-B. Now, I get offered products all the time for me to test out and do demonstrations on, and I turn a lot of them down. However, I decided to do this one because when I make my YouTube videos, I can't have music playing in the background. Now, if I'm doing a time lapse or something like that, I can have music playing, and in between shots, I can have music playing, but the problem is I end up going back and forth between my stereo in the shop and the project. So this, I hope, is going to help me out with that. So as I said, this is a Bluetooth speaker, but it also has some other options that a lot of them don't have. This one has a power bank built in. It can play up to 35 hours on the battery, water resistant, and a built-in mic for calls. This is another thing that I was looking for because sometimes I get calls in the shop and I don't notice them. I don't know that my phone is ringing. And this, hopefully, with my phone connected, will allow me to take phone calls as well. Let me open up the box and show you what's inside. Looks like some giveaways, a sticker, user manual, all good to have. I have not really looked at this yet. Well, I haven't looked at it yet. I just opened the box. Oh, I thought there was something there. So it looks like that's your charging location, and that's your power bank. And that says DC out. Oh. That's just showing me how much power it has in it. So it's at 50% right now. Now it does say it's, I think, water resistant. Yeah, not waterproof, water resistant. So, what else does it have? Looks like you can attach it to a snap link or something. There's a little, oh okay, so it has the jack where you can plug in a separate cord. Like if you had an MP3 player. Let's see what else is in here. Ah, look at that. Speaking of SnapLink. So you could attach that onto there and clip it onto a backpack or something. Standard USB charging cord. And an input-output jack or cord, so you can hook it up to an MP3 player. I like that because I have this little MP3 player that I use, and I can connect it directly to that and try it out. So let's go over these instructions quick. What's in the box, various items, manual, registration card, speaker, 3.5mm audio cable, round Treblab sticker, and charging cable. Okay. Oh, so there's a microphone port. Yep. So I'm looking at it. It's right there up in this corner. I don't know if you can see that or not. Answer, end call, previous volume, play, pause, next volume, LED power on, off. So apparently, if you get a call, let me turn this the right way so it matches. Up here, that's your phone call. Now, I'm not going to go over all that, but you can see a variety of instructions here. Wireless pairing, that should be pretty standard with a Bluetooth device. Audio playback, phone calls. Can be used to make and receive phone calls when connected wirelessly. Audio playback and will be paused during the calls. Okay. To answer a call, press the phone button. So various functions there. Oh, this has an FM mode. I did not know that. So apparently you can listen to the FM radio. It says FM listening, FM mode can be turned on from both the line-in and Bluetooth modes by pressing twice the power button. For a good level of FM signal, you will need to plug the 3.5mm audio cable. Only with the connected audio cable you can receive the needed signal. Okay, so the cable acts as an antenna. Power bank. Connect your device to the speaker, plugging your charging cable in, press the DC out button, which you saw that earlier. There's no LED indication when the smart device is fully charged. So there's troubleshooting, recycling, safety. Cool. Alright. Alright, so here's power on.
Power on. Bluetooth mode.
So it looks like, because my phone already has the Bluetooth turned on, let's see if I can find it. There it is.
Connected.
Cool. So I have connected the speaker to my phone, and I'm also going to play a video that's on YouTube that has royalty-free music, just so we can hear what it sounds like. Now I think there's a feature on here where you can make it play extra bass. Bass boost. Yeah, it says short press the power to improve bass reproduction when using outdoors. It says it right there, when using outdoors. So let me just see something. Turn the bass back off. That's pretty good, actually. I'm going to set this in another part of the garage and we'll listen to it again. The speaker is all the way across the garage under my drill press, or sitting on my drill press. Let's listen. That's not too bad. That's not bad at all. I mean, especially if you're right in front of it. I want to try out one more feature. Here's something I just figured out. If I press the phone button twice, it allows me to use my phone to actually, set up what I want to do.
Calling +320053.
I don't know who that is. Not calling that.
Welcome to Verizon Wireless. Your call cannot be completed at...
Anyway, so if I wanted to call somebody, that's how I would use it. But I want to try something else. There's one more thing I want to try. I want to see how this works for phone call. So let's see if I can get somebody to give me a call. So I have to make sure I do this the right way, because if I want it to work,
call.
I need to hit this.
Incoming call.
Hello?
Hey, how you doing?
Hey, Andrew.
What's going on?
Not much. I was just trying out my new speakerphone. My new speaker, that's a Bluetooth speaker connected to my phone. And I thought it would be perfect for you and I to have a little conversation while this is going on.
Well, it sounds pretty good.
Well, good. If you don't recognize the voice, this is Andrew from Grease Rookie Garage.
Hey.
So I see you're making progress on the car.
Yeah. I've been steamrolling, trying to get this thing. I've just hit the point where I want to get it on the road, and then I can address all the little things. But I need that extra. I'm just ready to hit that point where I can drive it, enjoy it, refresh my batteries, and then tackle some of the other stuff.
Yeah, I know how that is.
Yeah.
I know how that is. Well, I'm glad you're making progress. I like having you seen the interior in it and all the stuff you're doing with it, and so I know you're excited about it.
Yeah. What's the Bluetooth for?
Well, it's a speaker, that I have hooked to the phone that I'm trying to demonstrate to the viewers.
And it sounds like it has some pretty good distance.
Yeah, I mean, you're at the back of the car, and I can walk all the way to the front of the car, and I guess you can still hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you fine.
Cool. Yeah, because what I'm trying to do is demonstrate that I can use the speaker while I'm in the garage so that I can, turn music on and off between my video recordings.
Oh, okay. That's cool.
Yeah.
What music are you listening to in the garage?
It's got to be rock and roll. All right. Well, this works. I'm glad you participated, and we can continue this conversation later.
Yeah, sounds good, Barry. I'll talk to you later.
All right. Appreciate it.
Yep, bye.
Bye. So I think that's about all I can show you on this little speaker from Treblab, the FX100. I think it will do what I need it to do in my shop, and maybe you can find a use for it too. If you're interested, I will post a link in the description for this video. Otherwise, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and until next time, take care of yourselves. See ya.